So guys, I went back to Isiala North, where the Abia State Airport is currently under construction. So when I got there, I was asking them, so what is new here? And like they were telling me that the construction of the, runway has begun already. So I was excited and I was hoping to capture the construction with my camera, and one of the guys told me that I couldn't go close to where the construction was going on for safety reasons. And I was like, okay, no problem. Now, I didn't go with my iPhone. If I had gone with my iPhone, I would have been able to zoom in and be able to capture what was actually going on there. I only went with my camera, my DJI Osmo Pocket 3, so I couldn't zoom that far. But I'm still going to show you guys around this area, where I just decided to make the video since I have already come. You understand? I just said, okay, let me just make a video since I've already, come. I can't just go back like that. So these are the heavy duty machines that are being used here for the construction. So apart from the runway, I think they're still expanding, like, taking down, clearing the whole place, trying to level it, and, the rest of them. If it's the first time you're tuning into my channel, you're highly welcome. And if you're a returning viewer, I really appreciate you all for always making that chance to watch my videos. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell above, so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified and you'll be among the first people to watch the video. So about the construction of the, runway, maybe when next I go there, I don't know, maybe if they allow me, I may be able to show you guys, what they are doing there. Maybe if I had a drone, I would have been able to fly my drone to capture things. But I think maybe it's about time I get a drone to be able to show you guys, bed view of some of the places I go to. You understand? So guys, kindly watch this video down to the end and tell me what you think in the comment section.